morning, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome to you this morning. And a céad míle fáilte to our facilitators for today. 100,000 welcomes to Charlotte Murray from the Murray School, Charlotte Wellen from the Murray School in Virginia, with all her team. Very welcome. And Anna Nusa Kern from Quality School in Slovenia. Not the first quality school in Europe, that was by Slavica in the Hazin School in Croatia. So Slavica is here today, so very warm welcome to her as well. And a very warm welcome to all of our guests and speakers from so many countries. So it's quite an international gathering today. We're so delighted that you can be with us for this quality experience in education, provided for us today by quality people from William Glasser Schools. And the session today opens with a presentation by our director, Brian Lennon. And Brian is here on the video camera. So he will set the ball rolling for us, and I hope you have a thoroughly enjoyable day.